Hello and welcome. This is Niaz from the Neo Technical Tricks. Today I'm gonna show you how to create PDF file on Android device. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Play Store, search PDF converter. And now click on PDF converter or file converter. There are many useful apps, but I am using the PDF converter. Click install button. Open. This is the advertisement, and now here I am in PDF converter. So as you can see, this is the first time I am opening the PDF converter. So click on get started, click on allow, and confirm. So in the first time I'm going to show you how to create image to PDF file. So let's see how to do that. Click on image to PDF and here select image. You can select any image. So for example, I am selecting this image. Okay, click on show button from the right down hand corner and click on create file. Then here type the name of your PDF file. You can type anything, so I am written Neo Technical Tricks, and I am going to see my PDF file on my mobile. File manager and document from the PDF. As you can see, the PDF file is created on my mobile. Click on that and now you will see that the PDF file is created successfully. That's it for creating image to PDF. In the next step, I'm going to show you how to create text to PDF. So click on that and select the text. From here click the file manager to find out my text, or for example one word or any other texts. I'm selecting for example this is the word, the text I'm going to change into PDF. Click on OK button. As you can see guys, there are more enhancement option by the name of font size, family, font family, sorry, seed page size and password. For example, you want to change the font size, click on font size and the font family and the page size. Okay, here I am giving a password, and the one to create the password, then click on create PDF type the PDF name. You can write anything, so I'm written CMD1. And now I'm going to see that by created PDF file. From the PDF, as you can see, this is created CMD1, and click on view. You will see that now you are seeing that the PDF file is created successfully. Here I'm going to show you how to merge two PDF file. For example, you have two separate PDF, you want to merge them. Here we have an option to merge them. As you can see, click on merge file, and select the PDF files you want to merge them. Click on merge file, type the name of the PDF. So I am giving merge file name, and now I'm going to see that is it created really. So this is the merge file. That's it. Great. Now two PDF files merge in one PDF. That's it. In the 4 steps, I am going to show you how to create PDF to image. So we have one option, PDF to image. Here you can see. Click on PDF to image. Click on select file, and find the PDF you want to export the image from the PDF. So I'm going to find the PDF. For example, this is the PDF I am going to export. So here click on that. So now the PDF converted to image. To see, click on view image. These are the images that import from the PDF. Dear friends, there are many useful options. You can really, maybe it's really useful for you. And the last, I hope you like and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more video really soon. Thanks for watching.